Hi, my name's Bev and I'm just going to show you an introduction to reflexology, which is a form of massage to the feet, and the feet represent the rest of the body, so we can in effect read the feet and see what our client's body is telling us about perhaps some imbalances around the body. So then we would form our massage to suit the client and help create balance and allow those energies to flow. So to begin with, we make sure that we're in the correct clothing, our hair is tied back, our nails are cut short. We would make sure that our work area is set up comfortably for our client, nice and clean. We would also do the consultation with the client, so before they ever get on the couch, we've done a consultation with them and we know what we are going to be treating. We would then select the massage medium. So for today's treatment, I'm going to use a massage balm. So I'm taking it out of the pot with this stick. This stick will then be disposed of for hygiene. So we are stopping cross-contamination. And then just introduction to the legs with our massage medium, covering all of the area that we're going to work on. And then as well, before we begin, we would check for any contraindications, which are conditions that would stop us from doing the treatment or mean for us to adapt the treatment to suit the client. So I've already checked my client's feet. She hasn't got any verrucas or any extra dry skin anywhere. They're in good health. There's no athlete's foot. Nothing contagious there. Obviously if there was, then that would affect the treatment. So just massaging both legs to begin with, and then I'm going to show you a few techniques as well. Okay, so then we would cover over the foot we are not working on and keep the foot that we are working on exposed. Okay, so we're doing our effleurage. And then we can do some foot rotations. So I'm just supporting the ankle, holding onto the foot, and then I'm gently moving the client's foot one way, very slow, and then back the other way. So that's just creating the joint, or allowing the joint to move a bit more freely. Okay, another technique we can use is thumb walking. So using your thumb, doing a caterpillar walk. Okay, like nice and slow, and literally covering all of the area. And this technique can be performed over the whole of the foot and also over the toes. You might want to use your fingers over the toe areas because it's a bit of a smaller area. So you can see I'm doing that caterpillar walk. And that's going over the toes. Okay, and then we can do a ringing movement as well, which just like this, and this can open up the foot. And then just one last technique is crisscross, so your thumbs working back and forth, and that you can do over the whole of the base of the foot, over the sole of the foot, up and down, and they're crisscrossing over. Okay, so just an example, a client might come to us with swollen ankles. That could indicate slow lymph drainage. And by doing that technique that I showed you to begin with, the foot rotation, that will help. And then for some aftercare, we might like to say to them, try and sit with your legs up and maybe try and up your water intake to help. And that's the end of the reflexology demo.